In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage CRM pipeline stages in Odoo. We'll be working inside the CRM app and focusing on how to view, create, organize, and manage the stages in your sales pipeline. This is useful because your pipeline stages represent the different steps an opportunity goes through, from the first contact all the way to a successful close. To begin, open the CRM app in Odoo. Once you're inside, go to the top menu, click Sales, and then choose My Pipeline. This will take you to the pipeline view where your opportunities are organized into columns. In this view, you'll see your current CRM stages. Depending on your setup, these may include stages like New, Qualified, Proposition, and Won. Each column represents a part of your sales process, helping you quickly understand where every opportunity stands. If you need to create a new stage, scroll toward the right side of the pipeline until you find the Add a Column option. Click it to create another stage. This is especially helpful if your team uses a more detailed sales process and needs an extra step to track progress more accurately. Next, enter the name you want to use for the new stage, and then confirm it. As soon as you do that, the new stage will be added directly into your pipeline. Try to choose a clear and meaningful name so your team can immediately understand what that stage is meant for. If the order of your stages doesn't match your real sales flow, you can easily rearrange them. Just click and drag a stage column, then place it in a different position in the pipeline. Keeping the stages in the right order makes the pipeline easier to read and more useful for day-to-day sales tracking. You can also move opportunities between stages as they progress. To do that, drag an opportunity card from one column to another. This gives you a quick visual way to update deal status without opening each record individually. To manage an existing stage, open that Stages Options menu. From there, you can access the settings available for that specific stage. If you want to make changes, choose Edit to modify the stage's configuration. Finally, if you want a stage to stay out of the way without removing it completely, use the option to fold it. This keeps the stage collapsed in the pipeline. If a stage is no longer needed at all, you can delete it when appropriate. Just be sure you're removing only stages that are no longer relevant to your process. And that's how to manage CRM pipeline stages in Odoo efficiently and keep your sales workflow organized.